So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you like to draw? I do too. Let's draw an animal together. Okay, you can guess what animal it is. It's really tall, has a really long neck. Yeah, and they live in Africa. Yeah, a giraffe. Let's draw a giraffe together. First, let's draw the head. Ooh, there we go. 2 little ears, just like that. Oh, and then on top, they have these things called ossicones. Yeah, they kind of look like horns, but they're a lot cuter. All right, 2 small eyes. There we go. And then 2 nostrils, and then a smiley face. Nose, mouth, and eyes. All right, now let's draw the really long neck. Yeah, there we go. And then there's the body. Oh, and then it has 4 legs. There we go. And then the feet. Perfect. And the tail. Whoa. Whoa. And you can't forget about all the spots. Just like that. Oh, there we go. So cute. Wasn't this so much fun drawing a giraffe together? Yeah. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout,